Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the column widget in Flutter Android. If we want to align a group of widgets in a vertical direction, we will use the column widget. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage_state. This is _myHomepage_state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to a center widget, which aligns its child at the center of the screen. The child attribute of the center widget is the column widget. Inside the column widget, we have written several text widgets as the children widgets of the column. So all these text widgets will be placed one below another in a column. The main axis and cross-axis alignments of the column are set to the center. The main axis of the column means the vertical direction, and the cross-axis of the column means the horizontal direction. So the children of the column will be placed at the center in both vertical and horizontal directions. Let's run the app. As you can see, this is the column widget that placed its children text widgets in a column, one below another. So that's it. That's how you can implement a column widget in Flutter Android. Thank you.